The Shark Detect Pro IW1120 vacuum offers innovative cleaning technologies that automatically adapt to different surfaces and conditions, ensuring a thorough clean every time. This vacuum features a powerful PowerFins brush roll that effectively tackles both fine dust and larger debris on carpets and hard floors without the hassle of hair wrap. Equipped with a HEPA filter and Anti-Allergen Complete Seal, the vacuum captures and traps over 99.97% of dust and allergens, promoting a cleaner and healthier home environment. Its lightweight design, being 30% lighter than comparable models, makes maneuvering and using the vacuum a breeze without sacrificing performance. The Shark Detect Pro's battery provides up to 40 minutes of runtime, allowing for extensive cleaning sessions on a single charge. A real-time LED display keeps you informed of debris levels and battery status, enhancing your cleaning experience with useful feedback and information.